Here I have Motorola Moto E6i, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, you will need this kind of tool, which might help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So we first remove a cover a bit, then we put this tool in this hole, slightly push it, the slot pops out. Here we insert our SD card, and here is a slot for the SIM card. And then we just put it back into our device, like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also a notification saying like issues with SD card, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.